I ordered some candles from Coco and Soy for Valentine's Day, and you guys, I'm so excited. Tiffany, the founder and creator of Coco and Soy, which is a clean burning candle company, she actually lives close to me, so she hand delivered these. How sweet and so thoughtful. The packaging, you guys, is so beautiful. Oh, here comes little Ollie. Oh, there he is. So I had to pick up all three of their Valentine's Day scents. This one is chocolate amber. I also got strawberry cheesecake and then ocean rose. And I'll put this in the bathroom. I'll probably put this in one of my bedrooms, and then I'll put this, I'm thinking, out here in the main living room area. Sound amazing. If you've not tried Coco and Soy, you absolutely should. It's definitely one of my absolute favorite clean burning candle companies. So definitely check them out. Ollie's like, whoa, what is this stuff? It smells amazing. If any of you are looking for a Valentine's Day gift, these would be amazing. Or maybe you want to get one for yourself and just treat yourself for Valentine's Day. We all need some self-care. These are absolutely amazing. I do have a discount code where you guys can get 10% off. You can use the code Danny10 and you will get 10% off. It's a non-affiliate code. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy these.